Welcome to your Midday Sports. We begin with football. Jamaica's senior Reggae Boyz will take on Canada in the quarterfinals of the CONCACAF Nations League following the completion of the group play on Tuesday night. The first leg is at the National Stadium on November 17, with the second leg away on November 21. The Reggae Boyz were the second-best group winners after Panama, who blanked Guatemala 3-0 at home last night. The Panamanians finished with 10 points, similar to the Reggae Boyz, but had a superior goal difference. Based on the CONCACAF ranking index, top-ranked teams, Mexico and the United States, will play the second-placed League A teams from group play, while Canada and Costa Rica would play the respective group winners. Jamaica, who are sixth based on the index, square off with the higher-ranked Canada, while Panama will oppose Costa Rica. The winners advance to the 2024 Nations League Finals and Copa America. However, the losers will still have an opportunity to qualify for the CONMEBOL tournament through a playoff round which determines the final two spots. Former Jamaica Premier League champions Arnett Gardens and Waterhouse will get to sharpen their skills ahead of the start of the 2023-24 Jamaica Premier League season when they meet in today's Boom El Clasico pre-season match at the Waterhouse Mini Stadium that's in Drewsland starting at 7. The match, which was originally set for the Anthony Spalding Sports Complex in Arnett Gardens on Heroes Day, was postponed due to security concerns after the killing of a man in the area on Saturday. The match, which came about last season, features the two perennial powerhouses in local football clashing as a precursor to the start of the Jamaica Premier League season. Rain has delayed the start of the Cricket West Indies Regional Super 50 match between defending champions Jamaica Talawas and Leeward Islands Hurricanes at the Brian Lara Cricket Academy in Trinidad and Tobago. The Scorpions broke a 10-year drought with their title success last year and will take on a Hurricanes outfit that will feature the likes of West Indies players Kyron Powell, Casey Carty, Rakeem Cornwall, Hayden Walsh and Jamaican O'Shane Thomas. In the last edition, the Hurricanes won the first meeting by 68 runs before the Scorpions returned to win by 6 wickets. 2015 and 2019 runners-up New Zealand maintained their unbeaten start at the ICC World Cup after crushing Afghanistan by 149 runs in Chennai today to make it 4 wins from as many games. Propelled by a 144-run fifth-wicket stand between man of the match Glenn Phillips 71 and standing captain Tom Latham 68, New Zealand posted 288 for 6 after they were wobbling at 110 for 4. Opener Will Young made 54 and Rasheen Ravindra 32. The Afghans, who stunned England on Sunday, could not cope with the pace of Lucky Ferguson 3 for 19 and Mitchell Santner 3 for 39 as they were bundled out for 139 in 34.4 overs. Trent Boult supported with 2 for 18. Ramat Shah was the best of the Afghan batters with 36. The Kiwis leapfrogged India to the top of the table with 8 points. The Indians, who are the other unbeaten team at the tournament, take on Bangladesh in Pune on Thursday. And that's it for your Midday Sports Report. O'Shane, it's back to you.
Thanks, Spencer. And that's the Midday News. I'm O'Shane Masters. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, have a good afternoon.